Now, folks, look at SharperTrades. Today, the market was expecting some better speech in some ways, or news coming out of the new Fed that, as much as the Feds are independent, there was a lot of pressure from the current administration. And was expected to be in line with, yeah, we're going to drop the rates eventually. This guy did the opposite. Trump is going to have a fuss about it. Not only he said, expect some hikes because the inflation is sticky. He also didn't give guidance. Guidance is what markets uses moving forward to have projection and ideas and certainties. Zero. So that's why we saw a drop today. And could be an overreaction, something that market didn't expect. If tomorrow we see a positive opening back above the 80 and the descending trend line and it holds, then we could see a reversal. But if he opens lower and start heading down, then the next support is 773, 50 SMA, and 725. So a little bit of tricky. And also this war in Iran continues. They have this peace plan, but they're not agreeing. This stuff isn't over until the paper is signed. So not there yet. And watch for a move back above 753 and take out the recent high 757. Next target 761 and 770. Into the individual stocks, CBRS. This, as a recent IPO, was explosive and then dropped heavily. Seems to have found a support somewhere around 200, something I'm watching moving forward. Today, the market took a dive. This one didn't move much. That's a positive indication. Volume seems to be decent. Support is today low and yesterday low. The targets 225, 236, 248, and 261. Something worth watching. OESE, bullish kicker, good volume, a partnership in Europe. Positive news, unusual option activities, taking me already near the first target, 825, it went as high as 810, but it took a little bit of a dip as the market rolled over. It's back above the 50 simple the moving average. That's the primary support. It needs holding. The secondary support is the 680. Targets 825, 960, and 1170. It's volatile. Hood is a swing working really well. Already reached our 3 targets, pulling back a little bit. And they're reducing workforce by 10%. That's why we saw a good extension today, good reversal today, a good extension. 2 targets hit today. Next targets 117. This will be the 4th one, the first new one. 125 and 134. Support 104 and 99. QURE, explosive move on an FDA cut the corner potential approval. And basically they're setting a precedent. Usually they're phase 1, 2, 3, but they're saying, for rare disease, gene therapy, we might not need to do all phase 3. 1 and 2, it's enough, and we'll keep monitoring. So let's send this stock and all the other. This one primarily because it's specific to MT130 that QRE is developing, but other gene therapy companies, because of the precedent, they're speculating that, oh yeah, they got QRE got the approval or clear path ahead, we'll have the same. So it's a strong message from FDA, kind of loose for rare disease, gene therapy. Anyway, this one with this kind of volume and possibility of an extension, half of the candle and today lower the support, 51, 54, 59 are the next targets. Rare, this one is a block order, and we spotted yesterday, and today made a move. Most likely somebody knew something about the FDA approval, place an order, and here is the pop. First target, hit 27. If you're long this one, look for a move past the 200 SMA, 29, 31, and 33 next targets, support if you're long, after the candle and the 2-day low. RCKT, the same. This is also gene therapy. This is heavily centered around gene therapy, where rare not so much, but benefiting from that. Is now approaching the 50 simple to moving average. Watch for a move past that. 200 SMA next level. 373, 412, and 463 are the next targets. 3 and 2-day low are the support. And watch, no lower shadow. That's bullish. That's a very bullish indication. RXT is a swing initiated yesterday. Gave us a little bit of grief on this pullback, held the secondary support at 6. Today, bullish engulfing. First move hit the target already at 8. Technicals are bullish. Look at the volume today, 2 days in a row, over 160 million, 130 million. The targets, the second target is 10 and then 12. We are tightening stops, yesterday high and yesterday open. SOFI took a dive following market performance. CEO bought something around $220,000, $215,000 worth of shares. Paid the price was somewhere around 18. So it's moving lower a little bit. Again, this is market related, but if the market goes lower, this one will also be affected. The lower support is 1720. It needs to turn around ASAP tomorrow. The targets are these 20, 21, and 22. I'll update it later. SRPT, this is also biotech and gene therapy. Popped, hit 18, pullback, worth watching with volume coming in. And again, the gene therapy news is an important piece of data. Resistance is 18, 50 SMA, and the 200 SMA. Support today low and the 80 Well, folks, that's it for today. Thank you for watching and good trading. We'll see you tomorrow. Take care.